Episode 4, How to Return to Mechanical Origin. When the screen reaches this state, it will prompt us to boot did not return to the origin. Click OK to remove this status. Then select Origin Mode. Select Start Machining, and the machine will automatically recalibrate the mechanical origin. Once the remote reset is complete, first look at the Z+, which means it has returned to the top. X- means it has gone to the far left of the machine. Y- means that the machine has come to the front. Step 2. Look at the mechanical coordinates. In mechanical coordinates, X, Y, and Z all become 0, which means that mechanical origin regression is complete.